Welcome to infyGyan friends. In this video we have another very interesting algebraic equation x cube plus 44 over 1 cube plus 44 equal to square root 13, and we'll be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started. I can write our equation as x cube plus 44 over 1 cube is 1 plus 44. This will be equal to 45 equal to square root 13. Now we can cross multiply. So x cube plus 44 will be 45 square root 13. Subtract 44 from both sides, we'll get x cube equal to 45 square root 13 minus 44. Now we can see x cube is positive. So for real x must be positive. Now I will assume y cube, which is conjugate of x cube. So 45 square root 13 plus 44. Now I will subtract second equation from first one. So this will be over. I can write x cube minus y cube will be equal to negative 88. Let us say this is our equation 1. Now I will multiply these two, x cube with y cube. So I will be writing 45 square root 13 minus 44 times 45 square root 13 plus 44. This will be equal to x cube times y cube. Now you can see a minus b times a plus b. So we can use difference of two squares formula. So this will become 45 square root 13 whole square minus 44 whole square. And LHS we can write xy whole cube. Now 45 square is 2025 times 13. So this will give us 26,325 minus 44 square is 1936. This difference will be 24389, which is cube of 29. Left hand side we have xy whole cube. Right hand side we have 29 whole cube. Once we will take cube root both sides, for real xy it will be equal to 29. This is our equation number 2. Now we have two equations. First equation was x cube minus y cube equal to negative 88. And second equation was xy equal to 29. Now I will use one algebraic identity, x minus y whole cube equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy times x minus y. Now let us assume x minus y equal to t. So x minus y cube, it will be t cube equal to x cube minus y cube as per equation number 1, negative 88, minus 3 times xy as per equation number 2, it is 29, times x minus y, it is t. So t cube will be equal to minus 88 minus 87 t, or we can write cubic equation t cube plus 87t plus 88 equal to 0. Now I will split 88 as 87 plus 1. So I will be writing t cube plus 1 plus 87t plus 87 equal to 0. Now here we will take 87 common. Here we will apply a cube plus b cube formula. So I will be writing t plus 1 times t square minus t plus 1. Then 87 is common. In the bracket we'll have t plus 1 equal to 0. Now t plus 1 is overall common. So in other bracket we'll be writing t square minus t plus 1 plus 87 equal to 0. Or we can write t plus 1 times t square minus t plus 88 equal to 0. Now we will conclude two equations. Either t plus 1 will be equal to 0 or this quadratic t square minus t plus 88 will be equal to 0. Now I will check discriminant value for this quadratic equation only. So let me write discriminant delta equal to b square minus 4ac. b is coefficient of t, so minus 1 is square minus 4 times 1 times constant 88. So I can write 1 minus 352, which will give us minus value negative 351. Discriminant is negative, solutions will be complex, so we will reject quadratic equation for real solutions. So only accepted value will come out from here. First equation t equal to negative 1. Now t was our substitution. It was x minus y. So we will be writing t equal to x minus y equal to negative 1. And our equation 2 was xy equal to 29. So from here I can write y will be equal to 29 over x, which we are going to apply here. So I will write x minus y equal to minus 1, x minus 29 over x equal to minus 1. Multiply both sides with x. So I can write x times x minus 29 over x equal to minus x square minus 29 equal to minus x, or x square minus x minus 29 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation. This will be plus sign. We will use quadratic formula. So I can write x square plus x minus 29 equal to 0. Let's apply formula. X will be equal to minus b plus minus a square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. A is coefficient of x square 1. B will be coefficient of x plus 1 again. C is constant, so minus 29. Let's apply the values. So I will write minus 1 plus minus is square root of 1 is square minus 4 times 1 times minus 29 over 2 times 1, so 2. Now minus 1 plus minus is square root of 1 plus 116 over 2, which will give us minus 1 plus minus is square root 117 over 2. So I will be writing two values. X will be equal to minus 1 plus is square root 117 over 2 and minus 1 minus is square root 117 over 2. Now condition on x was x must be positive. So we will reject this solution as it is negative. We will accept only this solution as it is positive. So our final solution becomes x is equal to square root 117 minus 1 over 2. Now 117 is 13 times 9. So I can also write 3 is square root 13 minus 1 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next video, bye bye and take care of yourself.